Voyager 1, the most distant man-made spacecraft, has been traveling through our solar system since 1977, and it is still going strong. The more we discover, the more we learn about how truly mysterious space is, and how much more is left for us to discover. Today, in this video, we will be talking about the Voyager and how it's helping us unravel new discoveries every day. From the edge of our solar system to interstellar space, Voyager 1 became the first ever man-made object to enter interstellar space. Learn about some of the most important findings and discoveries made by Voyager over the years in this video. It's even carried a golden record, a message to alien life forms should they ever come across it. The spacecraft has gone farther than any other man-made object and is still conducting valuable research and discoveries for humankind today. The Voyager spacecrafts were launched in 1977 by NASA. They were a part of the Voyager program, which was initially proposed by NASA to have a flyby of Jupiter and Saturn and then to explore the outer planets of the solar system. However, during their journey, the spacecrafts were able to take stunning pictures of the outer planets of the solar system and their moons, as well as various other deep space objects. Voyager 2 was launched a few weeks before Voyager 1. And initially, Voyager 1 had a faster trajectory, but that was soon changed because the engineers predicted that Voyager 1 would reach the halo sheath, which is the outermost layer of the solar system, a year before Voyager 2. Voyager 1 entered the halo sheath, which is where it encountered high-energy particles that were coming from the Sun, in November of 2004, while Voyager 2 entered the halo sheath in August of 2007. Both the spacecrafts are currently traveling towards interstellar space, which is the space between stars. Voyager 1 spacecraft has observed new celestial objects. These objects, called ultra-luminous objects, are extremely bright and emit large amounts of energy. These objects, called ultra-luminous X-ray sources, or ULXs, are incredibly bright X-ray sources that are not well understood. They are thought to be either very young stars or extremely old stars. It is one of the most popular series of spacecraft missions in a journey that has led to the greatest discoveries in the history of planetary exploration. But how has Voyager exploited magnetic fields of planets and flown in a heliocentric orbit? For over 45 years now, they have been flying in a heliocentric orbit where the Sun acts as a central point passing the outer planets of our solar system. Voyager 1 is now the farthest human-made object from Earth at a distance of 17.1 billion kilometers. Voyager 2 is the spacecraft that has been to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Both of them have made the farther journey to the outer planets of our solar system, burrowed through magnetic fields of those planets, and made many important discoveries. Can you imagine how Voyager is exploring these unimaginable outer reaches of our solar system and unmasking the dangers of radiation belts? In order to explore the outer reaches of our solar system, Voyager 1 has to pass through the dangerous radiation belts of Jupiter and Saturn. These belts are full of charged particles that are known to damage the delicate electrical and scientific instruments of a spacecraft. For this reason, the Voyager 1 is equipped with a special protection layer that is able to withstand the intense radiation in space. It is the only spacecraft to have visited all 4 outer planets and is now leaving the solar system. We do not know how much longer it will operate, but it has already functioned for over 45 years and should last for another 2 decades. But how could the Voyager 1 have ever been sent to these outer planets? The spacecraft was equipped with a powerful camera, which took thousands of images of these planets and their moons. In addition, the Voyager 1 spacecraft also collected data on the planets' atmospheres, magnetic fields, and radiation belts. After completing its mission to the outer planets, the Voyager 1 spacecraft continued on its journey into interstellar space. In 2012, it became the first man-made object to reach the heliospace, the point at which the solar wind is no longer dominant enough to pull against the interstellar medium. But let's talk about how Voyager 1 spacecraft has recently been used to observe a new class of celestial objects. How was the Voyager able to unveil ultra-luminous objects? Voyager 1 spacecraft has recently been used to observe a new class of celestial objects. These objects, known as ultra-luminous quasars, are the most luminous objects in the universe. They are thought to be powered by supermassive black holes that are surrounded by dense clouds of gas and dust. The new observations of ultra-luminous quasars have allowed scientists to better understand the role of supermassive black holes in the evolution of galaxies. The data from Voyager 1 will help to further our understanding of the universe and the role that black holes play in it. Voyager 1 observed two ULXs in the nearby galaxy M83 and found that they are both surrounded by dense clouds of gas and dust. This is the first time that ULXs have been observed in such a clumpy environment, and it suggests that they may be a new type of object. But what message does Voyager have on board for extraterrestrial life? Voyager 1's primary mission was to explore Jupiter and Saturn. However, the golden record on board Voyager 1 contains 115 images and greetings in over 50 languages intended for any intelligent extraterrestrial life form which may one day find Voyager and understand that we are a planet of life in the cosmos. And last but not least, what discoveries of Voyager have been laid up for humans? It's been 45 years since the Voyager 1 spacecraft launched, and it's still going strong. What discoveries has it made in that time? Check out this list of the top discoveries made by Voyager 1 during its 45 years in space. Voyager has found evidence of a giant cloud of dust and gas surrounding our solar system. This cloud is thought to be left over from the formation of the planets and is what astronomers call the interstellar medium. The spacecraft has also put forward new insights into the nature of the interstellar medium and has helped to understand the formation of the solar system. So, Voyager has also reflected that to protect from this interstellar medium, the solar system is surrounded by this bubble of hot plasma, which is created by the sun's wind. The spacecraft has also discovered that there is a region beyond the solar system where the magnetic field of the sun meets the interstellar medium. This region is known as the heliopause. The heliopause is the point at which the solar winds meet the interstellar medium. It is thought to be located at the edge of the solar system, beyond the orbit of Neptune. The Voyager spacecraft have been instrumental in the discovery of the heliopause. In 2004, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to reach the heliopause. Voyager 2 followed suit in 2007. The Voyagers have provided scientists with valuable data about the nature of the heliopause. They have helped to confirm that it exists and that it is located at the edge of the solar system. The Voyagers will continue to study the heliopause as they journey deeper into interstellar space. They will provide scientists with new insights into the nature of our solar system and the universe beyond. Voyager 1 also proved the existence of a giant magnetosphere around Jupiter, the first close-up images of Saturn's rings. The magnetosphere is a region of space around a planet where the planet's magnetic field dominates the flow of charged particles. This region is important because it protects the planet from the harmful effects of the solar wind. The magnetosphere of Jupiter is enormous, stretching out over 4 million kilometers from the planet's surface. The images of Saturn's rings taken by Voyager 1 show that they are made up of billions of tiny particles, each orbiting the planet at a different speed. And lastly, the discovery of active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon. In 1979, the Voyager 1 spacecraft made a flyby of Jupiter and its moons. As it passed by Io, the spacecraft's cameras captured images of active volcanoes spewing lava into the air. This was the first time active volcanoes have been observed outside of Earth, and it was a significant discovery. The discovery of active volcanoes on Io was a major scientific breakthrough, and it has helped us to better understand the processes that drive volcanic activity on other worlds. The Voyager mission was to explore the outer solar system and beyond, and it has accomplished this admirably. Voyager 1 has made numerous discoveries, including the first close-up images of Jupiter and Saturn, and it is still functioning well despite being more than 45 years old. Its success is a testament to the skill of the engineers who designed and built it, and it is an impressive achievement of human technology. You've learned all there was to know about the unraveling mysteries discovered by Voyager in its journey to outer space. It's easy to forget just how far away the Voyager is. It has sent back images and data from all sorts of places, from the Kuiper belt, the heliopause, and the termination shock, which you can see here. It is incredible to think that a spacecraft launched in the 1970s is still beaming back news and pictures today. Click here if you'd like to learn more about deep space discoveries, and don't forget to subscribe.